Everyone, in this video, we will guide you on how to quickly resume playback of your media files in VLC Media Player, whether you have closed VLC while watching a movie, TV show, or music track. VLC has a simple feature that allows you to pick up right where you left off to use VLC's resume playback feature and avoid starting over, saving time when watching your favorite content. Follow these steps. First, open VLC Media Player on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. After that, click on this one Tools in the menu and then choose this one Preferences option to open this one Simple Preferences dialog box. After that, beside this one Continue Playback, just click on this one drop down menu. Here you will find option Never, Ask and Always. Choose Always option. After that, click on this one Save button. Then close the VLC Media Player and reopen it to apply the changes. Now open any video and watch. After that, close it, and when you will reopen the same video, you will see that it will resume where you have left off. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.